Okay, we're on the maiden voyage after the cruise control install to test it out. Once you get started, you gotta hit the on-off button, and when you have a red light, that means it's activated but not set. I think it turns orange when it's set. So some of the questions that might come up is, how does the throttle feel after installing it? If I were to just hop on this bike, I wouldn't think anything of it. It feels like a normal bike. The T7 has a pretty light throttle feel to begin with. And yeah, I'm sure it increased it somewhat, but can you really tell? Maybe a little bit. It's not noticeable though. You don't think about it when you're riding that, oh yeah, the throttle is definitely a little bit stiffer, but you know, it almost feels the same, maybe a little bit more. So we're on the highway now. We'll get it up to speed. Okay, there's 72. I'll hit the set button. And we're off. So it looks like the light turns orange. We're set at 72. And you can see that it's like a car. It doesn't fluctuate much at all. Even when there's a hill, the only time it'll fluctuate is if the bike doesn't have enough power in the particular gear that it's in. At that point you'd have to downshift and reset your cruise, because when you pull the clutch in or the brake, it disengages the cruise. So I'll tap the brake to disengage it. Okay, now I'll hit resume. So I just disengaged it, now I hit resume, and you can see we're climbing back up to 72. Now I'm going to hit the clutch to disengage. Okay. The clutch disengage is a little bit more violent with the clutch, but hit resume. Back up to 72. Let's go ahead and accelerate to 77 or 75. Okay. Now I'll decelerate. So every time you hit decel or XL, it's about 1 mile an hour. It's so nice to relax your hands. Yeah. I do long trips and it's nice to just alternate. Well, there you have it, folks. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do what I can to help. It's a great product. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, and I've had it on my Honda ST1300 for about 20 or 30,000 miles, and yeah, I love it. All right, thanks.